Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on Venmo so you can unlock all the features like sending higher payment limits and transferring money securely. Start by opening the Venmo app on your phone and tap the three stacked lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, go into Settings, then scroll down to the Security section and tap Identity Verification. You'll see a one-time security check page. Tap Next to continue. Now, Venmo will ask for some personal information. Enter your legal first and last name, date of birth, the last 4 digits of your social security number, or select I don't have an SSN if that applies, and your current address. After entering all the details, tap Next and follow any remaining prompts on the screen. Venmo may take a moment to process your information. If they can't verify your identity automatically, they will contact you for additional details to complete the process. Once your identity is verified, you'll have access to higher limits and a more secure account, making it easier to send, receive, and transfer money safely. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Venmo tips, and comment below which feature you want me to cover next.